Well, hi there, everybody, and good Monday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here as we are looking at a fairly active week of weather and also a stark contrast in temperatures between the start of the week and the end of the week. Because a big cool down is on the way here, but it is going to be quite warm for the next couple of days. Warm and eventually breezy as a frontal boundary that's kind of stalled out close to the Tri-Cities will lift to the north as a warm front. So that's going to allow for warm, breezy south winds to kick in. Showers and storms that have been up in the far northern part of the state this morning will clear out of here. There's still a small chance of thunderstorms this morning and during the day today, but a better chance will likely hold off until this evening here after 7 o'clock. Here's some showers and isolated thunderstorms are a possibility. Even a little bit of isolated severe weather cannot be completely ruled out this evening, but later in the night the chance of severe storms goes down, the chance of thunderstorms goes away for the most part, and we should be dry to start off our Tuesday. Dry Tuesday morning. By later in the afternoon we are going to watch for the development of strong to severe thunderstorms by 4 or 5 o'clock there in the afternoon as the atmospheric cap starts to erode and break. It's going to be another warm day tomorrow, another breezy day, but a cold front will be approaching from the northwest. Again, watching that severe weather threat quite closely, especially for our friends in north central Kansas, far southern Nebraska. That's your biggest threat, I think, your biggest target area for severe storms out there that would continue into the evening hours. Now, later in the night, the severe weather threat may go down, but we'll keep some showers and thunderstorms around even into your day on a Wednesday. Again, not really expecting much for severe weather Wednesday because it will be cooler, a little more stable air working its way in, but some scattered showers and thunderstorms still sticking around. The Storm Prediction Center does have a large portion of the viewing area highlighted for today for a marginal risk of severe storms. And this is mostly for this evening. Large hail damaging winds, but this is on an isolated basis. Not much of a tornado threat for today. As we head into tomorrow, a little better chance of severe weather out there, and you kind of saw those areas across central eastern Nebraska, northern Kansas, with the better chances of severe weather later in the day and into tomorrow evening. A marginal risk out west, your chances of severe weather are a little bit lower in those locations. Large hail, I think, does look to be the primary threat, although if the system, if these storms start to merge into more of a line, especially if it starts to bow a little bit, we could be talking about more of a damaging wind threat. Can't even rule out isolated tornadoes. I think our best tornado threat is probably closer to the Nebraska-Kansas border and southward, the way it looks right now. As for your temperatures out there today, nice and warm. Now, most areas will be warm. There's going to be that frontal boundary, as I mentioned, lifting northward. So as you get into far northern and western parts of the viewing area, maybe more in the way of low to mid 80s for highs. Otherwise, most locations will be looking at mid to upper 80s later on this afternoon. The strongest winds, or at least the winds will be stronger the farther southeast you go today. So southern and eastern parts of the viewing area have the strongest winds in store for today. But again, very warm conditions expected. Looking at the next 7 days, we are going to be looking for temperatures to cool back later on this week here. Again, today and tomorrow the warmest days. That transitional day on Wednesday cooler, but highs still may make it into the 70s. A little more cloud cover though, and that chance of showers and storms. We get a break Wednesday evening and probably even for Thursday morning. Highs on Thursday are kind of iffy right now. It could make it into the 60s. We could be seeing 50s. It kind of just depends right now, but the warmer it is, the better chance of a little instability and maybe some severe weather. But right now, if you've been following me the last couple of days on Facebook, you heard me talk about Thursday as the big threat day. That's probably not the case anymore. The biggest threat has now looked like it's going to be a little farther to the south. The system coming in a little farther south than previously expected, but still a decent chance of rain and thunderstorms in the forecast, though, just maybe not as much of a severe weather threat. Still some showers around for Friday and into Friday night. Some models want to linger it into Saturday morning. This is a slow-moving upper-level low-pressure system, though, but right now I'm keeping the rain chance out for Saturday. Coolest day maybe on Friday, where some of us struggled to even make it to 60 degrees. Saturday, a few degrees warmer. By Sunday, hoping to get back to around 70 degrees, a little more pleasant for your second half of the weekend on Sunday. But again, if you're looking at active weather, there's a lot of active weather this week. Severe weather threat, maybe a couple of days in there, but maybe not looking as threatening as previously expected. As I said, I think Tuesday's now looking at your biggest threat, and then later on this evening, probably your second biggest threat in the next several days to come. So there you go. There is your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you all have a great Monday.